this video, we will learn about how to divide mixed numbers, mixed fractions. So 8 whole 2 over 3 divided by 3 whole 1 over 4. So first of all, equal to sign, 8 will multiply with this 3 number. 8 will multiply with this 3. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus this 2. Okay, divided by 3. Divide 3 multiply 4, 12 plus this one. Okay, divided by 4. Equal to sign, 26 divided by 3, division sign, 13 divided by 4. Now equal to sign, 26 divided by 3. Now change this sign into multiply. This will be changed into multiply. Now after that, the numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. Oh, you can see that 4 over 13. Now you can cut off numerator with denominator, numerator with denominator. If this is not possible, then you can cut across like 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. Okay, now you have 2 over 3 multiply 4 over 1. Now multiply this 2 with 4, this will be 8 over 3. So this is your answer. This is your answer. You can also change this answer into mixed number. How you can put 8 here, 3. 3 twos are 6, negative 2. So your answer is 2 whole 2 over 3. This 2 over 3. So this is answer in your mixed number. So hope so you got the idea. If you still have any problem, you can comment under the video. If you find this video is useful for you, please like, subscribe this channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.